Hello everyone, welcome back to Intellicraft. In this segment, I will demonstrate how to promote students in Intellicraft. Let's begin. After logging into the application, go to the side menu and select Student Management. Now, navigate to the Promotion tab. First, select the current class and section. The system will display the list of students in that section. From the list, select the students you wish to promote. To promote all students at once, click on the Promote All button located at the top right corner. Next, select the academic year, choose the Promote to section. Click the required checkbox if necessary. Select the appropriate GR number. After entering all the required details, click on the Promote Students button. The selected students are now successfully promoted. To view the promoted students, go back to the Student List tab and select the same academic year. The promoted students will now be visible under their new class and section. Thank you for watching this demo.